question is simple. Believe or not believe?
Now, a post-mortem has been done on slain police constable Clarence Gilks, but it appears police have kept it quiet. According to Express journalist Jassy Gonzalez, the autopsy has concluded Gilks sustained a single gunshot wound to the back of his head close to his neck, while another bullet grazed his right temple. The autopsy was done at the Forensic Science Center today, where it was deemed a single gunshot wound was the reason for his death. Information on the type of bullet that killed PC Gilks was not available. Gilks was killed last week Friday when, according to police, he and a team of officers attempted to arrest a man at Rich Plain Road in Diego Martin. There are two versions of what has transpired. One is that the officer was shot during a shootout with a group of armed men, and the other is that the officer was killed in a friendly fire. 29-year-old Jehlano is wanted by police in connection with the incident. He has stated he wants to surrender but is afraid he would either be framed by police or that his life would be in danger.
For far too long, the people of Trinidad and Tobago have cried out concerning the brutal acts of the police force.
I don't like where this is going.
But their cries have fallen on deaf ears. As I said before, when they go before a magistrate holds the police service word in a more higher esteem than the average man on the street. So we are left defenseless against the police force. What's going on here? Why they are not revealing the findings of the autopsy to the public? Because, my friend, they will not only figure out that in times gone by, the amount of people that cry out concerning that they may have been right. They may have been right. And that is what is going on here in Trinidad and Tobago, but yet still find a way to attach a negative connotation to the cries of the people by saying everybody does say, all them mothers and them does say, my son good, my son good, my son good. Come on now, man, some of them really good. I ain't saying some of them are, I'm not saying one of them bad. Some of them good. And sometimes we just forget that the police force, they are only humans. So what we expect? We expect them to be perfect. People, at the end of the day, if you listen to the news reporter, right now they are using definitional retreat. A matter of fact, a high form of it, which is called hedging. You realize that she say there are two stories that existed, and the latter being friendly fire. My God, when it done start already? Tell it to make that statement. Like, share, subscribe.